Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. I'm playing around with Dina Wakley's gloss sprays again. This time I am kind of exploring more of a planned idea, exploring the resist effects that you can get with her gloss sprays. So I'm just doing some stenciling stuff. This is a handmade stencil that I created a long time ago. Just on regular paper. I need to, I know there's a shop on Etsy that makes stencils, so I need to make a good version of that design and get it done because I really kind of like it. It's kind of Native American, I think, looking. Anyway, so I'm just layering these and seeing how well they resist. Not too bad, right? I think it looks cool. How it resisted the white and the I don't think that's turquoise. I can't think of the blue. Anyway. Now this one I'm putting right over the yellow. So I'll have to let it sit and dry because it's not gonna, it might rub off otherwise. Just thought I'd add a little bit more of that in there. I did let it dry before I did this next step. I just wanted to add a little bit more color. To the edges. Give it a more even sort of color. And I'm just rubbing that with a kind of dry, not too wet baby wipe. My pages are curling, so I'm just kind of clipping them down because they're driving me crazy. My binder clip is too small for the thickness of the book. I did want my stencil design to stand out a little bit more. So I'm going over the edges with a Posca pen. I don't know if it made it stand out more or not, but that was the idea. So now I decided it needed a focal point, and I'm just taking one of Dina Wakley's bird stencil. I've had it for quite a while, so I don't know if it's still available to buy, to purchase. But I just thought something in black, a black silhouette, would look good. Really stands out on that yellow. I'll just take a little paint and paint right in that crease so it disappears. There. Decided to give it a little bit of splatters. In black. I don't know if that was a quote or just random thoughts, but I can't read it. So, it's just meant to be another design element. It's not as pretty as Dina Wakley's handwriting, scribble writing. And add some words. Just a quick little page, just a little fun playing around. And I hope you liked that. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. I like the resist effects of those gloss sprays. I think they're a lot of fun. So leave me a comment, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.